Hey everyone, this is Jerry with the Captain's Chair, and today I have another box of Star Trek Beyond. Be opening that today. Oh, and I'm also joined by my Captain's Bear. So this time I'm just taking the wrapper off instead of trying to cut the edges. I almost sliced my fingers the last couple times. Okay. That's much better. Okay. Take the packs out. Okay, and here we go. Okay, base cards. Oh, that's Commodore Paris. She has that crazy deep voice. It's kind of cool. More base. And you notice I am saving the wrappers. I sent the batch into Rittenhouse Archives to try and get the points for the wrapper redemption program, and I'm starting to save up my next batch. Okay, more base. Still looking for my first hit. Oh well. Haven't hit any insert cards yet. Star Trek Beyond, that was a fun movie to watch. Oh, actually, just saw something else kind of cool. At the end of Star Trek Beyond, Spock Prime, or Spock was looking through Spock Prime's possessions after he had passed away, and that was a nice kind of cool picture of the old crew that Spock Prime still had. I like that scene. More base. This is so weird. Usually this many packs in, you hit at least some kind of insert card. Okay. Okay, here's a hit, finally. These are the quotable cards. And let's see, oh, this looks like Bones. What a damn monstrosity. Couldn't we just rent some place on a planet? That's when he was looking at Yorktown. Okay, my first hit. Oh, looks like we got another hit. Base card. Oh, and Captain Kirk costume relic. Chris Pine. Card SR1. Very cool. And what I like about the Beyond cards is I noticed they do say Wardrobe worn by Chris Pine as Captain Kirk. Not all the relic cards say worn, so they could just be a piece of material off a big roll of material that was never used. So that's kind of cool that that was actually worn, piece of a worn costume. Okay, and I see an autograph coming up. All right, there we go. Kim Cold as Savenko. Now, I don't remember if he was one of the aliens that was trying to beat up Scotty in one of the opening scenes or not. It's a cool card. I'm trying to collect the whole set, so I need all the autographs. Okay. More base. Now, I did make a video about packaging up my cards or wrappers, and I did send them in a few days ago. So stay tuned if you're interested in seeing how my wrapper redemption went. I have no idea how long it takes for them to open the package, count up all the wrappers, and post the points to your account. So it'll be a first for me. Oh, that fooled me last time. For some reason, those lines look like a like text. Thought it was a quotable card last time. Okay, continuing on. More base. Okay. All right, we have a metal card. Kind of did feel the weight difference on that one. All right, metal card with Jayla and Scotty. This one is card 34. It's parallel, and these are serial numbered, 78 out of 100. Okay. I don't think I could afford to do that 100 card metal parallel set because that's a lot of boxes. Those parallels are like one per box. So. Okay, more base. But these are definitely cool cards. They're nice and heavy. More base. Oh, another autograph. Oh yeah, Carl Urban, Dr. McCoy. I needed that one. Didn't have him yet. Always excited when I hit someone in the main bridge crew. Carl Urban. Nice. This is only my second box of Star Trek Beyond, so I don't know if I'm all done with the hits or not. Okay, for base. But 5 packs to go. We'll see if there's anything else kind of hidden in here. Okay, base. But as the name of our website is called The Captain's Chair, I am a huge collector of Captain's cards, so I was really thrilled to get that Chris Pine today. That's going on the shelf. And I do plan to do another video to show off a lot of the Captains I have. I used to buy these cool containers from Tap Plastic, and they no longer carry them, so I'm looking for a replacement box that's about similar in size. So maybe I'll show everybody what I have and get some tips on my next video on where I could get a similar size box. Okay, last pack. Here we go. All base, but I'm pretty happy with the hits today. Let me do a little recap. Our autographs, Alien, Carl Urban, Dr. McCoy, Chris Pine, Captain Kirk costume relic, quotable card, and a metal card, Jayla and Scotty. All right, so thanks for tuning in. I'm going to be putting some more box breaks up, so if you're interested in what's in these things, stay tuned and you could tell if you want to take a chance on the box yourself or not by what you see coming out. Okay, thanks again for watching.